May question siya dun sa sinasabi po na parang allowance na monthly. Paano po ba yung pagbibigay nun? At saka, sino po ba yung bibigyan? Basta po ba senior dahil ang bigyan o merong specific na ano? Kasi parang na-offend siya dun sa sinabi nung ano namin sa barangay nung nagtanong siya. Kasi ang sinabi daw sa kanya, yung mga anak mo lahat di kotse, tapos humihingi ka pa. Ang tanong ko lang po, ito po ba rights o privilege?
Magandang umaga po. Thank you for that question. Actually, ito po yung sinasabi nyo, you're referring to the monthly social pension that is now being given to indigent senior citizens. Ito po yung based on RA 9994 which stipulate that all indigent senior citizens should receive this monthly stipend of 1,000 pesos. So, pero meron pong mga qualifications siya. Based on the law, ang qualification po, number 1 is the indigent senior citizen should be frail or with disability. Number 2, sickly. And number 3, kailangan po wala po siyang visible income like pension or support from the parents or relatives. So, mag-a-apply po siya sa barangay or with the OSCA ng LGU. Then, sasabit po yan sa DSWD. At present po, this program is still with the DSWD and based on law, this will be transferred to us siguro late 2025 or 2026. So, yun po, the indigent should apply with the OSCA or with the barangay po. Then, i-evaluate po yan ng DSWD. So, right now, there are more than 4 million recipients of this monthly stipend. So, meron pong mga waitlisted na rin. Sila po yung mga na-approve na, but still waiting for additional quota or funds to support this waitlisted indigents. So, pwede po sila mag-apply kung qualified and pwede, they can be siguro considered later ng program na yan.
At sagutin ko na din ko, ano? Kasi yung katanungan ni ma'am ay regarding the social pension. Meron po tayong nakaambang na House Bill number 10423, no? Yung tinatawag na Universal Pension for Senior Citizens. So, yan po, idudugtong na lang natin kasi kung titingnan natin, yung ngayon na pinag-usapan is the social pension, the indigency program. Pero yung Universal Social Pension, pangkalahatan po yon. Pag ikaw ay umabot ng 60 and beyond, ikaw po ay magkukwalify. At ito pong Universal Social Pension, kagaya po ng ating Universal Healthcare Act, no? Pangkalahatan siya. So, kaya ikaw ay may sakit or wala, kaya ikaw ay may tinatanggap na pensyon or wala, kaya ikaw ay may tinatanggap na support ng economic sa iyong pamilya, galing sa iyong pamilya, o kaya naman ikaw ay kahit walang sakit at ikaw ay may natapusan, ay ikaw ay magka-qualify. But that is still pending in Congress and it has to pass through Senate for a bicameral action.